Welcome back to Xoom Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, remember that this video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're taking a look at Xoom, a money transfer service. Xoom allows you to send money internationally to friends and family, pay bills, and even reload mobile phones in various countries. It's a convenient platform, especially if you need to send money abroad quickly. Xoom offers several ways to fund your transfers, including bank accounts, debit cards, and credit cards. The speed of the transfer depends on the destination country and the chosen payment method. While some transfers can arrive within minutes, others might take a few business days. Keep in mind that fees and exchange rates can vary depending on the recipient's country and how you choose to fund your transfer. It's always a good idea to compare these factors before initiating a transaction. Xoom emphasizes security measures to protect your financial information. They use encryption and fraud prevention tools to ensure your transactions are safe. They also provide customer support in case you encounter any issues or have questions about your transfer. Before using Xoom, it's recommended to carefully review their terms and conditions, including their fee structure and exchange rate policies. Understanding these details can help you avoid any surprises and ensure a smooth transfer process. While Xoom offers a convenient service, it's crucial to be aware of potential transfer limits and any restrictions that might apply to your specific transaction. You can find more information on their website, which I've linked below. They also have a helpful FAQ section that addresses common questions about using their service. Finally, don't forget to explore user reviews and feedback to get a broader perspective on Xoom's performance and reliability. Doing your research beforehand can contribute to a more informed decision about whether Xoom is the right money transfer service for your needs. Remember to check out the links below for more details and to access Xoom directly.